Okay, I got the variable frequency drive back from factory Mation, and I'm running it with a power cord here. It makes it remote. I want to bring that and all of my controls into the box here so that they're basically sitting up front, and I can do all of my controls. So you know, I can just press start or whatever. So basically what I've got is a magnetic starter controlling the variable frequency drive power, which I'm going to operate from here, so I can turn on, as well as a lamp. When I hit the power, lamp comes on, variable frequency drive comes on, and I got it set for 18 Hertz, which is pretty slow. I'm in my gearbox, I'm at 1500, so it's a nice soft start. I'm going to do that. Adam will film me turn, and we'll bring it up to 60 with the controls here. Okay, that's 60 Hertz, so that's spinning 1500. That's with the brake. I've got the brake set, I think, to 5 seconds. I've got soft start to 5 seconds. So there we go. Adam will film. I'll do some cutting. How's that, Adam? Okay, power it on.